In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seedance in Leonardo AI Desktop for free. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once you're inside the platform, head straight to the video generation section. This is where you'll set up everything for creating your AI video. After that, click on the model selector. From the list of available models, choose Seedance. If you're using a free basic account, this part is especially important because you'll want to pick a Seedance option that uses fewer tokens. Free accounts typically get a limited number of tokens each day, so lower cost models are the best choice if you want to create videos without paying. Just keep in mind that with the lower cost options, your video length may be limited to shorter durations, such as 4 or 6 seconds. Next, choose your video duration. Then select your video dimensions. This helps you match the output to where you plan to use the video, whether that's widescreen, vertical, or another format. After that, set the quality to standard, since standard quality uses fewer tokens and is the more budget-friendly choice for free use. You'll also have the option to include audio or leave it off. Choose whichever works best for your project. If you want more control over the result, click the image icon with the plus sign. This lets you add reference images for your video generation. You can upload a start frame first and then add an end frame to help guide the motion and overall direction of the clip. Once that's done, type your prompt into the prompt box. Be as clear and descriptive as possible so the model understands the scene, style, and motion you want to create. Finally, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your video. If your first result isn't exactly what you wanted, try adjusting the prompt or references while keeping the same low token settings to stay within the free